Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic natural language processing. So let's get started. In the context of knowledge distillation for NLP models, what is the primary role of the temperature parameter in the softmax function? The correct answer is option A. To soften the probability distribution of the teacher's output to reveal dark knowledge. Which evaluation metric for text generation computes similarity by aligning words based on exact matches, stemmed forms, and synonyms using WordNet? The correct answer is option B, Meteor. The Longformer architecture addresses the quadratic complexity of standard transformers by utilizing which mechanism? The correct answer is option C. A combination of sliding window attention and global attention for task-specific tokens. In reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, what is the specific purpose of the reward model? The correct answer is option D. To predict the scalar score a human would give to a model's response. Which technique is commonly used to mitigate hallucination in large language models by providing external, verifiable evidence during the generation process? The correct answer is option A, Retrieval Augmented Generation, RG. What does the nucleus sampling, top P sampling, method do differently compared to top K sampling? The correct answer is option B. It selects the smallest set of tokens whose cumulative probability exceeds a threshold P. In the low-rank adaptation LoRA method for fine-tuning, which part of the model is modified? The correct answer is option C. Trainable rank decomposition matrices are injected into the transformer layers. What is the primary advantage of flash attention over standard attention implementations? The correct answer is option D. It reduces memory I/O overhead by being I/O aware and using tiling. Which of the following describes zero-shot cross-lingual transfer? The correct answer is option B, training a model on language A and evaluating it on language B without any training data in B. In coreference resolution, what is the term for a word that refers back to an entity mentioned earlier in the text? The correct answer is option A, anaphora. Which positional encoding method uses rotation matrices to inject relative position information into the self-attention mechanism? The correct answer is option B, rotary positional embeddings, ROPE. What is chain of thought COT, prompting primarily designed to improve in large language models? The correct answer is option C, complex reasoning and multi-step problem solving. In the word embedding association test, WEAT, what is being measured? The correct answer is option D, human-like social biases, e.g., gender or racial, present in embeddings. Which of the following is a key characteristic of the byte-level BP tokenizer used in models like GPT-2 and GPT-3? The correct answer is option B. It operates on UTF, 8 bytes to ensure a base vocabulary of size 256. What is the KL divergence term used for in the PPO, proximal policy optimization, stage of RLHF? The correct answer is option A. to ensure the fine-tuned model does not deviate too far from the initial policy. In dependency parsing, what does a projective tree imply? The correct answer is option A. The tree can be drawn without any crossing arcs. Which training objective is specifically used by the XLM cross-lingual language model to leverage parallel corpora? The correct answer is option B. Translation Language Modeling, TLM. What is the exposure bias problem in sequence-to-sequence models? The correct answer is option C. The discrepancy between training, using ground truth, and inference, using own predictions. Which metric evaluates the semantic similarity of sentences by using the cosine similarity of their contextualized embeddings? The correct answer is option D, BERT score. In relation extraction, what is distant supervision? The correct answer is option B. Using a knowledge base, like Freebase, to automatically label text based on known facts. Which mechanism in the transformer architecture is specifically designed to prevent the model from looking at future tokens during training for a generative task? The correct answer is option C, causal masking, look-ahead mask. What is direct preference optimization DPO as an alternative to RLHF? The correct answer is option A. It removes the need for a separate reward model by optimizing the policy directly on preferences. In named entity recognition, NER, what does the I in the BIO tagging scheme stand for? The correct answer is option B, inside, a word that is part of an entity but not the first. Which of the following is a sparse, transformer variant that uses a fixed pattern to reduce attention complexity? The correct answer is option A, Big Bird. What does perplexity measure in the context of a language model? The correct answer is option C. How well a probability distribution or model predicts a sample. What is the function of the value matrix in the scaled dot product attention mechanism? The correct answer is option A. To provide the actual information/content that will be weighted and summed. Which technique involves training a model to predict whether two sentences follow each other in the original text? The correct answer is option B. Next sentence prediction, NSP. In multimodal NLP, what is the core idea behind CLIP, contrastive language image pre-training? The correct answer is option C, learning a joint embedding space for images and text using a contrastive loss. What is gradient checkpointing used for during the training of very large NLP models? The correct answer is option B. To save memory by trading off compute, recalculating activations during the backward pass. Which of the following describes instruction tuning? The correct answer is option D, fine-tuning a pre-trained model on a dataset of instruction, input, output, triplets. Thank you for watching.